But let's just focus on interest. And because there's only one interest here, they end up doing value claiming negotiations.
Yeah.
We're worried about spreading.
Yeah.
We need this vaccine. We need to start. Good.
What's going to happen if polio spreads across Nigeria?
Virus spread polio in all over the world.
During the colonialization, the British government took this religious conflict or divide.
These are not rhetorical questions. Anyone, what are your ideas?
If you look at the situation in which we are in in Kano State or at the northern part of Nigeria here,
this vaccination is so safe.
We did provide evidence about the efficiency of the vaccination program before the boycott. So far, there were no cases of side effects reported to WHO and other organizations. And CDC did say that the contamination rumor was not true. So KSG and LCO, what do you think?
From today, you can start thinking both about what you need to improve, what your strengths are, but also, what your weaknesses are, what you want to improve for the future. You can start setting some goals for yourself. But don't forget to praise yourself for the strengths that you have and the things that you achieved today as well.